Welcome to this quick tutorial about Appsorwebs. As you can see on the screen, my Android Studio is open. I tried trying to create a little app called a disk roller, and I had to use the old version, 3.3 of the Android Studio. And the essence of this video is in case you're still using an old version, or maybe for some reason you have to use the old version and you have this error. I'm trying to show you in this tutorial a quick fix to clear this error and then updating your app even with the old version of Android Studio. On your screen, it will be this way. Expand it, go to build.gradle, double click, and this is the error that you're seeing here, com.android.support, as you can see here too. So what do we need to do to fix this? Take this entire line of code off and go to file, click on save all, then rebuild, click on rebuild, try to rebuild the project. That will clear the error. So the process running down here, all the process. We're done here, and as you can see, there's no more error train. Build up is complete, or the process complete, and that's it, no error. So I hope this video will make somebody's day, because some little errors like this could make you not move on, not learn, could maybe, make you have to go through everywhere to look for a solution or how to fix the error. If you enjoyed this short and precise video, please give us a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much and have an awesome day.